Grabe.
Kita mo tayo dyan? Baka po siya yan? Yung yung matang ganito ba?
Ito pala, sorry. Wait lang.
Ito sir. Para kita lahat. Yan, go.
Okay, smile, 1, 2. Sama mo yan.
Ganda naman.
Okay.
Kumain pa
Ano
rin.
yung gagawin ba namin sa
Diyan lang kayo muna.
ngayong November lang?
Ha?
Kung masyado magkaparodi, wala na. Hindi na tayo makakapagod. Uy, na.
Okay? Are you ready? Okay, good evening everyone. Good evening. These certificates will be given to the new graduates.
Yes.
Was completed the competency-based skills training for advanced automotive engine repair and rebuilding from October 29, 2023 to February 4, 2024. Given this 4th day of February 2024 at Power Technical Training Center, Villa 1A3, 6th District, Al Satwa, Dubai, UAE. Signed by Engineer Jamabel Mahan, Chief Executive Officer, and yours truly. And with us here is one of the expert trainers in automotive servicing, servicing, engine repair and rebuilding, automotive servicing, electrical repair and air conditioning, and automotive servicing, transmission repair. Sir Dennis Umol. Okay, so first graduate is the only Rose among them. Ma'am Mary Joy M. Walker. Okay, congratulations, ma'am. Yan, ganyan. Tapos, ang kapit tayo pa.
Kasama pa ba kami?
Yes, sir. Tapos, one step up para sa solo.
1, 2.
Okay, solo. So, guys, you follow up.
Yes, yes.
First, receive sa certificate with Sir Dennis. Tapos, picture like this with us. Tapos, and then, solo, one step up. Okay?
Okay.
Are you listening?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We will see if everybody gets it. Got it. Okay, so next graduate is Ricardo D. Ligaspi.
Oh my
II.
God!
Congratulations, friend! Bulalo boy, bulalo!
Manyang cum laude siguro.
1, 2, 3.
Magkakumaude, grabe naman.
Grabe.
Diba?
Pagkatapos si speech yan ha, speech.
Speech ko muna ba?
TikTok, gusto mo ma'am, TikTok pa ma'am.
O, TikTok din ha, may farewell TikTok kayo ha.
Oo, ganun.
May pizza na, order na.
Order, sana naman makatikim kami.
Okay. Next graduate is Muhammad Abdul Kader.
Abdul!
Muhammad
Going Switzerland! Tomorrow, after tomorrow, after tomorrow.
Again and again. Too much eating, no kami.
Ay, wah. Gusto ka na bitis yan ah.
Solo. Solo, one step up.
Solo.
One step up.
Solo.
Nahihiyain kasi ko eh.
Smile, Abdul. Let out your teeth. Out.
Okay. Congratulations.
Yes.
Next graduate is Noor Ahmed. Graduate.
Best! The coffee boy! MVP!
Coffee.
The playboy! The coffee man! The coffee man!
Chef Nor.
The playboy! Tingnan ng kape?
One more. Okay. Ako.
Wow. Well, ang uga ba?
Okay.
Binuhin mo, mag-win pa.
Okay.
Yo, solo. Hindi wala.
Ang bangla to eh. Basketball, ang bangla.
Sentro yan eh, sentro.
Okay.
Ang bumangga, di ba?
Giba.
Next is Joseph.
Loksin eh,
Martin
loksin.
Oh, Joseph.
Joseph, go Joseph, the black guy. Black Mamba.
1, 2.
Joseph, turn the camera ba?
Okay. 1, 2.
Magtatanong pa eh.
Okay.
Sabay mo mo.
Okay, so next is Matthew L.
Oh,
Farid.
the intelligent guy, but
Yun.
The 6 years.
the sexiest.
1, 2. Okay.
Solo.
Sa Parigay.
The right guy.
2.
The absent.
Yung may ingay.
Solo.
Hoy, service lang kung absent ha.
Pwedeng guardian. Laking guardian ito. Oh.
Ganda oh.
Basketball.
Parang
Okay. Next is Randy C. Brabani.
oh,
The Korean.
the Korean boy.
Ano sa'yo ha? Second course na to. Ha?
BTS.
Of course then.
Okay. 1, 2.
The BTS.
Okay.
Wala ko na susunod ito. Huwag kayong magkontra.
More question to come.
Sa'yo?
Next graduate is Jonathan Felix M. Siapno.
Uy! Pako, Jonathan! Congratulations!
Jonathan Pinaco.
Okay. 1, 2. Okay.
Ano yung presyo, Pao? Presyo, Pao?
1, 2.
Siap po.
Presyo, Pao?
Siap. Siap po.
Siya po? Siya
Alam mo
po?
yung trabaho? Okay. Trabaho mo, maganda ng gusto mo. Ng tao.
Okay,
Last but not the
this
least.
is Rodeo W.
Oh,
Estrada.
yeah. More question!
Doraemon.
Doraemon!
Magtatanong po yan.
Thank you, sir. Sama.
Ayun.
Little side. What's the
Sige, ma'am. Sama, ma'am.
Oh, meron ka?
Huwag ka nang tatanong yun ha. Huwag magtanong ka.
Hindi ka, sir. Isa pa. Hindi ka. Ay, sir. Ayos.
Pinapatawa ni Mate. Huwag mo tawa ni Mate.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Okay po. 1, 2. Okay.
Si Doraemon at si Nobita. Partner ko.
Okay.
Ah, ma'am, meron na.
Ano, sir?
Wala, tino. May tanong kanina si Rodi, hindi lang tinuloy. Ano tanong mo?
Wala na yun.
Wala na.
Mukha pa.
Uy! Group tayo dito. Group certificate.
Group study.
Your certificate, bring your certificate, man.
Ano? Kanya ba lahat? Oo ba lahat? Okay.
Kuha po.
Oo.
Yan lang,
Kailangan
dun.
adjust yung iba.
Ay, yung iba sa taas po.
Sa taas yun.
Yung mga matangkad.
Hindi na.
Abdul pa, saglit lang, Abdul.
Kaya?
Tony, come.
Abdul.
Ang naman.
Abdul.
Muna agad yun.
Okay
Kailangan
lang.
ko agad.
Ay, paano naman yan, Bilok? Kaya na pala kay ma'am.
Okay po. Tingin sa camera. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Spa. Okay. Spa ulit. Okay po. Oh, waki. Walang waki din dyan. Natas yung mga ano dyan. Waki. 1, 2, 3. Spa. Iyaw.
Okay, bye.
Okay, congratulations.
See you next. Salamat.
Okay. Who among you here is has the plan to proceed on to the